Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we are looking at Harvard Mid Max tournament. The question is given: find all the order pairs a comma b of complex numbers with a square plus b square not equal to 0, a plus 10b by a square plus b square equal to 5, and b plus 10a by a square plus b square is equal to 4. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. First of all, what is given? A plus 10b by a square plus b square is equal to 5. Second one is given b plus 10a by a square plus b square is equal to 4. By trial and error, if you take, if a is equal to 0, then 10 by b is equal to 5. If you substitute a equal to 0 here, b will get cancelled. 10 by b equal to 5, that implies b value 2. So if you substitute this b value 2 here, you will get b2, here 4 will get. A value 0, total it will be 0. So b value 4. So which does not satisfy second equation. Which does not satisfy second equation. Now if you take b is equal to 0, we'll see what will happen. B is equal to 0, then 10 by a is equal to 4. B is equal to 0, here 10 by a is equal to 4. That implies a will get 5 by 2. So if you substitute here a 5 by 2 in the first one, it won't satisfy, which does not satisfy first equation. Which does not satisfy first equation. So what to do here? Let us assume a and b both are non-zero. A and b both are non-zero. A and b both are non-zero. We are assuming that a and b are both non-zero. Now a plus 10b by a square plus b square is equal to 5. This can be written as 10b by a square plus b square is equal to 5 minus a. This can be written as 10 by a square plus b square is equal to 5 minus a by b. Sending p that side, 5 minus a by b. Similarly, you can write the second one, 10 by a square plus b square is equal to 4 minus b by a. 4 minus b by a. From both of these you can write 5 minus a by b is equal to 4 minus b by a is equal to 10 by a square plus b square. Now multiplying for this one with b, 5b minus ab by b square is equal to, multiplying this with a, 4a minus ab by a square is equal to 10 by a square plus b square. So if you solve this, what you'll get here? 4a plus 5b minus 2ab by a square plus b square is equal to 10 by a square plus b square. From this we'll get 4a plus 5b minus 2ab is equal to 10. So here minus common, 4ab minus 4a minus 5b plus 10 equal to 0. So here you can take 2a common, b minus 2 minus 5 common, b minus 2 equal to 0. So 2a minus 5 into b minus 2 equal to 0. So a is equal to 5 by 2 or b is equal to 2. A is equal to 5 by 2 or b is equal to 2. Now if a is equal to 5 by 2, so replace in first one. You have solved like this. First one you are getting like this. Then 10 by 25 by 4 plus b square is equal to 5 minus 5 by 2 by b. So here you can write 40 by 25 plus 4b square is equal to 5 by 2b. So here 8 times, here 1 time. So 4b square minus 16b plus 25 is equal to 0. Now by applying the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac quadratic by 2a. So here what will get 16 plus or minus root of 256 minus 400 by 8. So here 16 plus or minus root of minus 144 by 8. So in the next page we'll continue. So here what will get 16 plus or minus 12y by 8. This can be written as 2 plus or minus 3i by 2. Now if second case, if b is equal to 2, so then if you substitute the value in the second one, 10 by a square plus 4 is equal to 4 minus 2 by a. So here 10 by a square plus 4 is equal to 2 by a. One time here 5 times. Here also you'll get quadratic. A square minus 5a plus 4 equal to 0. So a square minus 4a minus a plus 4 equal to 0. So taking a common, a minus 4 minus 1 into a minus 4 equal to 0. A minus 4 into a minus 1 equal to 0. A is equal to 4 or 1. Now hence we are getting solutions. Hence the solutions are 1 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 5 by 2 comma 2 plus 3I by 2, 5 by 2 comma 2 minus 3I by 2. So I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.